All right, what am I doing with this heat gun? Well, you're going to see some of the black plastic on these cars, on my Crown Vic, it's kind of faded. It's kind of faded. So there's a trick. You can heat up the plastic carefully, and it will restore the black color. I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, let's come in close. We're going to start heating this up. As you can see, there's some white areas where the plastic has just sort of faded in the sun. We're going to heat that up. Move back and forth. We don't want to melt the plastic, but we do want to heat it up. You can see that it's starting to go away. There you go. See? It's bringing out the black. Now you gotta be careful because, well, I mean, you could wreck your thing here. But if you're careful, you can bring out some of the black back into your plastic again without having to get brand new covers.